Unlock a new level of on-the-go productivity by mastering DocuSign on your iPad. First, ensure you have the DocuSign app installed. You can easily download it from the App Store once opened. You'll land on your dashboard where you can quickly access your signing, sending, and document management needs. Let's start with Signing tab. The Sign option DocuSign will show you documents waiting for your signature. Tap on the document you need to sign. You'll see different fields that require your attention. Tap on the signature field. A pop-up will appear allowing you to create your signature. You can draw your signature directly on the screen with your finger or an Apple Pencil once you're happy. Tap Done. You can also choose to adopt it as your signature. Now, simply tap on each remaining signature field to apply your saved signature. It's incredibly intuitive. Once all fields are complete, tap the Finish or Complete button. To send a document for signature, tap the Send option. You can upload documents from various sources like your iPad's files, cloud storage, or even take a picture. After selecting your document, you'll be prompted to add recipients and their email addresses. Then, you'll drag and drop signing fields onto the document where you want your recipients to sign. Review everything, and with a tap of the Send button, your document is on its way for signature. To manage your sent and received documents, simply tap the Manage tab on your dashboard. Your iPad transforms into a portable powerhouse for all your document signing needs, making mobile signatures more convenient than ever. DocuSign Pad Mobile Productivity.